If your listing photos look like every other shop on Etsy, this video ends that. Here are 5 free AI tools that'll help you get found and get bought. No design experience needed. Running an Etsy shop means you're the maker, the photographer, the copywriter, and the customer service desk, usually all in the same afternoon. These 5 tools take real weight off that load, and every one of them is genuinely free. 2 honest notes before we start. First, these are tools for saving time and getting seen, and nothing here guarantees sales. Anyone who promises that is selling you something. Second, a quick word on Etsy's rules. If you sell AI-generated art as the product itself, Etsy requires you to disclose that. But using AI to polish photos of your real handmade work or to help write listings is a different story. Policies change though, so check Etsy's current Seller Handbook. All right, Tool 1. Tool 1. Product photos without a studio. The tool is Pebblely, and the free plan gives you 40 images a month with no watermark, and commercial use is allowed, which some free photo tools don't offer. Here's how it works. You take a plain phone photo of your product, upload it, and Pebblely places it in a clean, styled scene, a wooden table, soft light, a simple background. It's your actual handmade product, presented like it came from a catalog shoot, and 40 images covers a full month of listings. Try it on your bestseller first. Compare the 2 photos side by side, and that's usually all the convincing you need. Tool 2. Listing descriptions that sound like you actually wrote them. Use Claude because the free version is plenty. Generic AI writing reads like a robot filled out a form, and buyers can feel it. But Claude tends to write warmer, more conversational copy, which matters when someone is buying a handmade thing with a story behind it. So tell it about the piece, what it's made of, who it's for, why you started making them, then ask for a listing description and edit until it sounds like your voice on your best day. That's the part generic tools get wrong, and you won't. Do 1 listing tonight, and you'll want to do 10 more. Tool 3. Find out what buyers are actually typing into that search bar. The tool is eRank, and there's a free plan. You connect your shop, it scans your listings the way Etsy's search sees them, and then it flags exactly what to fix. A title that's missing words buyers use, tags you never filled in, a description that buries the important part, which means you stop guessing about why a listing isn't getting found and start making changes you can check off a list. Visibility comes first, and everything else follows it. Run it on your 3 slowest listings this week. Make the fixes and give it a little time to work. Tool 4. Answer customer questions while you sleep. The tool is Tidio, and the free plan covers up to 50 AI conversations a month. Think about the questions you answer over and over. When will this ship? Do you accept returns? Does this come in blue? Because Tidio sits in your shop's chat and handles all of those automatically, politely, at 3 in the morning. And when a question actually needs you, like a custom order or a problem, it hands the conversation over. Set it up with your 5 most common questions this weekend and reclaim the evenings you've been spending on repeat answers. Tool 5. Social posts and graphics in minutes. The tool is Canva, and the free plan includes magic design. You describe what you need, like a post announcing a new collection or a simple shop banner, and it generates a full design you can adjust. Your photos drop right in, the colors and fonts stay consistent, and your shop starts to look like a brand instead of a scramble, which means promoting your work stops eating your making time. Pick 1 product this week, make 1 post about it, and share it, because done is better than perfect here. So that's 5. Photos that look professional, listings that sound like you, search terms buyers actually use, questions answered while you sleep, and graphics in minutes instead of afternoons. All 5 are free, and none of them touch the part that matters most, which is the thing you make with your own hands. That stays yours. Pick the one that made you nod and set it up this week. If this helped, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And leave a comment telling me which tool you want the full step-by-step on. Now go make something.